Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to do a hard reset on OPPO Reno 11, 12, 13 and 14. So here I have an OPPO Reno 11, but it's the same also for the other three models. And first your phone needs to be turned off, and second, be careful because if you had a Google account installed on this phone before, after the reset you will be asked to enter your user and password, and if you don't know it you can be able to use this phone. Now, to do a hard reset, you need to enter first in the recovery mode, and for that you need to press and hold the volume down button and the power button until you will see OPPO logo on your screen. So let's do it, volume down and power, press and hold. And now remove your fingers. We have here the OPPO logo. Just wait for a few seconds. And here select your language. I will select English, and here we have the recovery menu. From here you can format data, reboot device or power off. I will tap on format data, and now you need to enter the verification code. This is 8073. Okay, and now you are asked if you want to format data. All user data will be reset. Okay, tap format, and now wiping, please wait. And data is formatted, and now just tap OK and wait until your phone will restart. And now I'm back, and you need to select your home language and then just tap next, 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 and do the initial setup. And now the setup is over, and you can use your phone. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next video. Have a nice day.